buddy Harlan told me about this grill called the Oklahoma Joe's Charcoal Griller. Absolutely fantastic. Lots of grill space, cast iron grills, and it's a real sturdy beast. But it's important to take good care of it, so I'm going to show you how to clean it, maintain it, make sure it never rusts, while at the same time giving the most flavor to your food you ever thought. Here we go. Check it out. Come on. Let's get it done. Oklahoma Joe's recommends that you use vegetable oil to coat it across the grill and keep this nice and clean. I've got this in the greenhouse. Let's check it out. Everyday vegetable oil, a towel with a bowl, you're good to go. Let's get it done. Come on, buddy. Let's go, boy. All right. It's real simple. We're just gonna take this, put a little bit of vegetable oil in this bowl, clean this thing up. Here we go. Now you don't have to put too much. I think just a little bit should do it. That's actually a lot, but that'll be all right. All right, let's clean this grill. All right, so now that we've got our bowl and our towel, we're gonna take these, we're gonna clean these grills one at a time. Okay, the first step is you take this cool little tool right here. We had no idea what it was at first, but then my dad helped me figure out, here's how it works. Put it in the grill, lift up, now you're ready to clean. All right, I'm gonna take my towel here and get a nice healthy dab of vegetable oil. Get it nice and soaked there, just like that. And we're gonna put it on the grill. I'm gonna take the grill, pick it up here, take it off, and start spreading it on. Just like this, all over it. We want it to be nice and wet. Really filled with a whole lot of vegetable oil. All right, moving on to the next one. There we go. You can see there's a bunch of stuff from the last grilling still on there, all caked on. That's all right. You can see some of these brown areas here. See, if I didn't coat this on here, that stuff might end up rusting. So we're doing the right thing. All right, number 3. The way they've got these grills split up into fourths is really helpful. It's great when you're cooking. If you need to add some more charcoal, you can either use the front door of the grill or you can just kind of add things in by picking up one piece at a time. Really, really handy. Okay, the next thing I'd like to do is coat this all with vegetable oil as well, so it's nice and protected from all the elements, no matter what. Here we go. All right, it's good to carry a towel around with you so you can wipe your hands off when you're done. Last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna empty out the ashes. The only time I use one of these is never on the grill, but I'm gonna use it to clean the ashes. So here's how you pull this thing out. Put this over here, take this out. It's just like a little drawer. Then, take my scraper, scrape it off. Put this back in here, slide it in, store my scraper under here, we're good to go. That's a clean grill. Last step. Bought myself the custom charcoal griller cover to keep this thing protected from the elements. All right, it's as easy as that. Now we got a clean grill, it's protected against the elements, it's got a great flavoring, and it's got a nice custom cover on it. I'm just gonna hose off that towel and get it ready to clean off, and we're good to go. See you next time, Life at the House.